Today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of VoiceOver, the accessibility feature that can help you navigate your device with ease. On this video, we'll show you how to use VoiceOver on your iPhone step by step. Step 1. Turning on VoiceOver. The first step is to turn on VoiceOver. To do this, go to your iPhone setting, tap on Accessibility, then tap VoiceOver. From here, you can turn on VoiceOver and customize its setting to suit your needs.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
Once VoiceOver is turned on, it's time to start exploring your iPhone. We'll show you how to use basic VoiceOver gesture to navigate your device, including swiping, tapping, and dragging. For example, on VoiceOver, you can click Learn More here.
Learn more. Link.
Tap it twice.
Tap to activate link.
Tap it twice. Then
VoiceOver commands. Heading.
Then you can see or you can read by yourself about the VoiceOver command. On this, it's explained that VoiceOver speak item on the screen and provide helpful. VoiceOver speak item on the screen and provide helpful hints. You can control VoiceOver using a simple set of gesture. The interaction is tap once to select an item, double tap to activate the selected item, and swipe 3 fingers to scroll. For example, we done.
Done. Button.
Yes, tap it twice. For example, you want to
back button.
When you want to select the speech menu,
speech button.
Tap once to select an item, then double tap to activate the speech menu. Then
button.
And you can see it will be activate the speech menu. When the VoiceOver is on, you cannot swipe the screen only with your one finger. I will try to do it. It cannot be swiped, right? So to swipe the screen when the VoiceOver is on, swipe 3 fingers to scroll.
Speech button. Rows 6 to 20 of 20.
Yes.
Rows 8 to 20 of 20.
You can scroll down the screen with 3 fingers.
Rows 1 to 10 of 20.
And for the basic navigation, to go home, slide 1 finger up from the bottom edge until you feel the first vibration, then lift your finger.
WhatsApp.
To use the app switcher, slide up further from the bottom until you feel a second vibration, then lift your finger. To use the control center, slide 1 finger down from the top edge until you feel the first vibration, then lift your finger.
Lift notification center. Notification center. Heading 1337. Control center. Airplane mode. Switch button. On. Double tap and hold to show more controls. Double tap to top. 1337.
To use notification center, slide down further from the top until you feel a second vibration, then lift your finger.
Notification center. Notification center. Heading 1337.
To use reachability, slide 1 finger up from the bottom edge until you feel the first vibration, then swipe down to bring the top into reach.
WhatsApp. Double tap to open.
Step 3. Typing and editing text. VoiceOver also makes it easy to type and edit text on your iPhone. We'll show you how to use VoiceOver typing feedback feature to hear each character as you type, as well as how to use VoiceOver to edit and delete text. For example, you open the notes, tap it twice, and
note text field is editing. Character mode. Insertion point at start.
Then
use the rotor to access misspelled words.
Then you can type any word that you want to type.
Cupcake. Cupcake. Wait. Wait. Hey.
The voiceover will dictate any letter or character that you type on your board.
Hey.
When you delete it, for example, I'm going to delete it, tap it twice.
Yay. They. Add. Hey.
The voiceover will dictate any character that you delete. And then step 4, using voiceover with apps.
Double tap to open.
VoiceOver can be used with almost any app on your iPhone, including social media apps, messaging apps, and more. You can use VoiceOver with popular applications like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Step 5. Customizing VoiceOver setting. Finally, we'll show you how to customize VoiceOver setting to suit your needs. We'll cover options like speech rate, pitch, and volume, as well as other settings that can enhance your experience with VoiceOver. You can open it on Setting, then on the VoiceOver.
Settings. Voice. Daniel. Button. VoiceOver. Back VoiceOver.
So you can adjust the speaking rate by slide to the right.
50%. Speaking rate. 50%. Adjustable.
Or
Speaking rate. 50%, 55%, 75%, 0%, 38%, 81%.
Okay, like that, okay?
48%.
Okay, then we go into the step 6. Step 6, using VoiceOver with Siri. VoiceOver can also be used with Siri, the Apple virtual assistant. We'll show you how to activate Siri using VoiceOver and how to use VoiceOver to interact with Siri. Step 7. Turn off VoiceOver with Siri. Activate Siri. To turn off VoiceOver with Siri, you first need to activate Siri. There are 2 ways to do this. For example, we back again.
Accessibility. Back button. Access.
We back to the setting and activate Siri and search. Siri and search.
Siri and search.
Tap it twice.
Before searching. Heading.
We can see there are 2 ways to do this. You can either say Hi Siri if you have that feature enabled. We already enable it. Or we can press and hold the side button on your iPhone until Siri appears on the screen. When we can see, press side button for Siri also enable. Once Siri activates, simply say turn off VoiceOver or disable VoiceOver and Siri will turn off VoiceOver. Once Siri is activated, simply say turn off VoiceOver or disable VoiceOver and Siri will turn off VoiceOver for you. For example, I'm back to VoiceOver. We back. Hi Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
VoiceOver off.
Okay. Then we confirm if VoiceOver is off. To confirm it has been turned off, try using iPhone as normally would. If VoiceOver is off, your iPhone should function normally without any verbal cue. No more speaking anymore. No dictate anymore. And we can see VoiceOver is off. Let's try again. We turn it on, the VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
Okay, I'm trying to turn it off again using Siri. Hey Siri, disable VoiceOver.
VoiceOver off.
And we can see the VoiceOver is off. If VoiceOver is off, your iPhone should function normally without any verbal cues. If you want to turn VoiceOver back on, simply activate Siri and say, Hey Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now on.
Siri will turn on VoiceOver for you. You can also use this method to turn VoiceOver on or off whenever you need too. That is for our comprehensive step-by-step guide to using VoiceOver on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, VoiceOver is a powerful tool that can make your iPhone more accessible and easier to use. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks for your iPhone. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!